the CSS that is doing it. Radial what? Gradient, cycle, and 2 colors selected there. So back to business. Let's move. The shadow all defined. Bright yellow glow. Bright yellow glow. Create a realistic light bulb. So is this shadow that is creating that realistic feature or effect around it as if it is indeed a what? A light bulb. Then we have the buttons. So you can just follow this video alongside and code it out. I'm telling you, you can follow the video along. You don't need internet, you don't need anything, no extra tool. Just code, pause, and code along on your code editor, Sublime, VS Code, whatever you're using, whatever code editor you're using, just follow through and do exactly the same thing. Then let's assume you want to understand explanation to each and every line of the code. No problem, just DM me and I'll send you a PDF containing line by line explanation, one after the other. So let's move very fast. This HTML and searching, that's the bulb switch on top it, that's H1 on state, that's all. And moving forward, we'll run down. So now let is on. We are entering JavaScript now. This is a programming language, the guide that determines the behavior of the page. Now let is on equal to false. What I mean, it stores bulb state default to be false, that's off. Then when you press the switch button now, it changes to true equal to on. So function toggle bulb, function toggle bulb. This function runs when button is clicked. This function runs when the button is what? Clicked. Is on is equal to exclaim is on. Now, if you look at it carefully, let me not stay more on this line 90 to 93. Let's move on. Like I said, just DM me or send the PDF. I don't want the video to be very long. So the on state of cursor. So there is a flip. It can flip between, that's this if is on bulb dot class list dot add on. So it's have the ability now to switch between on and off, not just on alone, you know, then it doesn't return again. So the program makes it right here, yes, right here. As all of this is what makes it switch between on and off, interchanging the background and effects that has been made available